Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing tonight? We're getting a little bit of an early start today. Gotta get back. Just like the price of Bitcoin. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for joining me. All right, let's get right into it. We got some interesting charts to look at, guys. We got some interesting charts to look at. Clint said, this music sucks. Oh, that's a good start. That's a good start. He said, but I can make it this time for a little since it's before dinner time. Nice. All right, I'm glad I started early enough for the early bird special, guys. Be respectful to Clint. He's a little on the older side, so make sure we don't say too many big words. All right, let's get into it, guys. Bitcoin is currently trading at 101,492. Let's update our liquidation heat map and see what's going on here. A lot of money liquidated yesterday. It got pretty spicy. So, unfortunately, it looks like the bulls have not learned. We got 109 million sitting here at 98,855. And then below that, geez, there's so much liquidity. 98,687. And then 98,436. Did Sailor make his buy yet? And then let's just go straight down here. 97,598. Okay, and let's make this a little bit thicker. And then above, it's pretty mediocre. We got 102,460. And then the big boy up here, right here, 102,627. Guys, I'm pretty sure tomorrow morning I am beginning my return to Georgia for just a couple of days, but I'm looking for recommendations for podcasts for the drive because this time I will be driving by myself. So I'm going to have some podcast time on my hands. So let me know what you recommend in the chat, and I'll happily download it and listen to it on the way. And then I'll tell you what I think when I get there. Bitcoin got spicy, man. It got real spicy. Look at this. 109 million liquidated there. I think, I could be wrong, but I believe there was like something like $800 million liquidated from the market last night, which is crazy. Bitcoin dominance getting another rejection. It tried to get above 59.6 and couldn't quite make it. Looking for this to break down, hopefully. I'm curious as to whether or not my slightly higher high is going to play out on Bitcoin dominance before we actually get alt season. Because I was projecting for December Bitcoin dominance to go higher and then for it to break down. But it didn't quite do that. It went a little bit higher and then it broke down some more, and now it looks like maybe it's maybe this is just a big double top. That would be great. The final M in the coffin for alt season. That would make me very happy. But we'll see. We'll see what plays out. It's definitely, this is a completely different bull market from what we've ever experienced. So everyone's kind of learning at the same time. It's definitely a crazy one so far. Ethereum currently trading at 31.61. A lot of news about Ethereum. They're not making as much money as they used to. Vitalik came out and said that he solved scaling and staking again for like the 14th time. So we'll see what comes of that. I will say though, a lot of FUD. Usually FUD is followed by some pumpage. So we got this dump right here, which was followed by another dump. Is that going to be this? But that doesn't really look similar. What does look similar is this dump followed by this instant recovery. Is that what's going to play out right here? Because it looks awfully similar. We'll see. ETH perfectly bounced off of its 30-40 support though. So we're looking good. Got some resistance at 32.28. All these points of confluence are just playing out, and it's kind of cool. It's cool to watch. You put some lines on the chart and then they play out. It's kind of exciting. It helps inflate the ego. Sol broke down again, but it got back into its little blue trendline range, which I'm going to make this a different color because it's getting confusing now. Let's make it purple. Back into its purple trendline range, and it is holding support there. So we'll see if that rebounds as well. Total 3 down 1.19%, currently trading at 1.01 trillion. It did break below 1 trillion, but we've had this lovely lower trend line that we've been riding. It did not break below that. It held that as support, which is great. This orange fractal right here is actually Bitcoin's price action on the same exact days. So it's interesting to see Bitcoin and the altcoins line up perfectly. Like perfectly. This is crazy. That doesn't happen. Hoff said, yo, can you look at the stock oracle? Asking for a friend. I'll take a look at that as soon as we're done going through our charts. Hoff's. That's very nice of you to ask for a friend. Bitcoin. Or I'm sorry, not Bitcoin. Others dominance at 9.55%, broke below 10%. Quite a while ago, it seems. But it is holding this descending trend line. I believe descending eventually points towards a reversal at some point. So we'll see if this thing decides to bounce. I think that this is just like the top 100. So I don't think this actually includes meme coins. So others dominance is almost irrelevant, I will say. I might actually get rid of that. Let me see. Let me set up a poll in the chat. Also, I need you guys to tell me what to replace Lunk with. We still have not replaced Lunk in our watch list because you guys cannot make up your minds. Cardano is down 2.55%, currently trading at 92.87. Just chilling. Got some support at 88, looking good. Hopefully that's the bounce zone. We'll see what happens. SNEK also down 2.85%. Holding up quite well, actually. SNEK has been at the same price since December. So it's accumulating, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I bought some more. I closed my long actually up here. And I repositioned my long down here. And I'm doing really good right now. I think I'm up like 30% already. So, and it's only a 4x on our bid. Link in the description. Not financial advice. XRP. Actually, XRP looks great right now. Currently trading at $3.02. Fahid said, I'll probably faint if I had another Kid Clint. Hoff said, I voted yes just to troll Franco. HBAR is down 2.82%. Back in its little accumulation range. There's a humming sound. I'm not crazy. HBAR is back in its accumulation range below or between 26 and 32. 32.7. We'll see if it gets back above. HBAR has been kind of teasing us. It broke back above this thing. Looked like it was going to go crazy, and it decided not to. And yes, I did say broke back. SUI is up 2.55%. SUI is doing its sweet thing, held beautifully at 3.53 support, breaking above 3.91. Next stop, 4.38 if we can hold 3.91 as support. Render is down 7.7%. Render had this orange trend line above that we were watching. We had some supports. It held 6.73 was the final stand, and it broke below that and is now trading in no man's land, which I'm sure we could find some confluence with. But, I mean, this right here is just a accumulation zone as far as I'm concerned, because we spent a decent chunk of time inside of that and a decent chunk of time above that. It's literally split 50-50. So if we're within this range, then we're within this range, 4.2 to 6.6. And that's a big range. It's not a small range. It's good for trades, I'm sure. 56%, that's great. So in my opinion, if I was watching this trying really hard to trade, I would watch this thing either break through this and continue to the upside, or reject this, and then I would open up my short. Not financial advice. And then I would keep a very close eye on it, and I would expect it to go down. As soon as I'm happy with my percentage, though, I'm going to close my short, because I'm awful at shorting. Also, because of that, you probably shouldn't listen to me when I say if I was trading this, I would short. If I say long, then it's a little more believable, because I actually do long. I'm not good at shorting, though. So if I say that I'm shorting something, don't write it down and look into it later and open up a position because JJ said, "Ooh, he's going to short." I'm probably not going to short because I'm awful at shorting. I don't make money when I short. Polkadot down 3.95%. Polkadot also had this blue trend line, which it looks like we found support on, which is great. We'll see if this thing breaks back up, and if it does, we'll see if it can finally answer the age-old question, is it in a descending channel or a descending broadening wedge? Casbot down 2.44%. Also doing a whole lot of nothing. Casbot had a kind of a horizontal support-ish here. Actually, look at this. This is head and shoulders too. That played out perfectly as well. That's interesting to see. Hindsight is 2020. But Casbot broke below this horizontal support. Currently retesting it. If it rejects, then I'm looking for at least 11 cents. If it breaks below this blue line, then I don't know where it's going. That's going to be kind of funky if it does that, because this blue line goes way back. Look at this. This is an inverse head and shoulders too, which actually played out as well. Played out like crazy. Wow, look at that. That's cool to see. Avalanche down 5%. Ooh, uh-oh. Avalanche broke below its orange trend line, which we were watching. We finally set up some confluence here, and it decided, no, that's not good enough. Broke below it. Is this a fake out, though? If we can get back above this orange trend line, then we will have to pay, I guess we'll just have to pay close attention to see if we can get back above this trend line. 36.66 is the next area of resistance if it starts to go up from here. I guess there's bullish div right here, kind of. Yeah, there's bullish div. It's faint, but it's there. Let me change the color of this. And the thickness. So you got bullish divergence on Avalanche right now, but unfortunately the price is going down while the RSI goes up, so I don't know if that's going to result in some huge sustained upside. He might be signaling just a continuation. We'll probably get some kind of bounce off of this level and then continuation to the downside. Chainlink down 3.54%. But Chainlink has been holding up beautifully during all of this price action. Everything's going down. Everything's getting decimated. Chainlink is just chilling. Chainlink broke above $21.67 trend line support resistance and solidified it so far twice as support. And hopefully we're looking at some continued upside. Also had this descending triangle or falling wedge that it decided to break above and cement as I don't know, actually. It didn't really retest when it broke above. It didn't quite get low enough to retest. So, but Chainlink's looking good. Something's going on with Chainlink. I think people are accumulating, anticipating some huge upside. I feel like Chainlink's undervalued. I feel like everyone says Chainlink's undervalued, and I think it's true. I genuinely do. And even if it's not, it's kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy at that point. Doge is down 1.62%. Doge is trading in this range that it's been trading in for forever, between 30 cents and 40 cents. Really. We'll see. Lunk is down 1.88%. I'm not really going to look at this too long. Descending trend line. We need to replace Lunk. I'm actually going to remove it so that you guys can figure out what to replace it with. Polygonmatic pole. Also on a downtrend, but is there any kind of structure to it? Maybe? I don't know. It's sloppy. If that's it, then it's sloppy. But we'll see. If it gets back above 44. Near down 3.21%. Also has some sort of structure going on. Green trend line. Legacy trend line. It's kind of acting as a mean rather than a support. So we'll see. If we break too far below this green trend line, then we're probably going to be in some trouble. Chili's down 2.92%. Also riding a descending channel. This is kind of the same thing as DOT. Is it in a descending channel or is it in a descending broadening wedge? Because there's 2 points of confluence. I guess there's 3 with the descending channel, so we'll just leave it at that for now. If it gets back above this orange trend line, then we'll be looking for a bounce and continuation to then hit this upper trend line, which is probably around 0.08. So we'll see what comes of that. Silver got a little bit choppy today. MicroStrategy got a little bit dumpy today. DXY got a little bit dumpy today. NASDAQ got a lot dumpy today. Gap to the downside. S&P also gap to the downside. We'll see if this thing can finally recouple to the ass fractal. It's not looking good. I will say that it's not looking good. And Bitcoin, once again, trading at 101,682 and 57 cents, chilling. I will say Bitcoin trading above 100K casually, like it's no one's business, and having like a 2% down day and people freaking out, being like hyper bearish, that's kind of hilarious. Okay, I'm sorry, 6%. Big deal. Still above 100K, highest it's ever been in history. Because alts got decimated, everybody kind of lost their tits. But we're chilling. We're chilling. Let me read the chat. Hoff sent a goofy face. JY said, "Oh look, another bearish day in crypto. Sup chat, hope y'all are good." Billy said, "Yo yo yo, yo yo." Hoff said, "Finally, few things green, sweet algo arrow. Link is something you can buy and not worry." I mean, you gotta have conviction in your bags no matter what. But I know what you're saying. I agree. Link is something. If you're comfortable like telling your mom to buy it, then it's probably a good buy. Giovanni said, "Got a bit more cash come through, and I had the hardest time trying to figure out whether I wanted to buy some Cardano or Chainlink, and ended up getting neither." That's probably the right choice, honestly, if you can't decide between the two. Guys, I'm going to close this poll. You guys voted yes to remove others' dominance. So let's get rid of it because it is kind of useless because it only counts the top 100 minus the top 10. And that does not consider Solana Memecoins, so it's a bit useless to me. So we got 2 empty slots. We got 2 empty slots in the watch list. The first coin that gets mentioned twice by 2 different people gets slot number 1, and then the same thing for slot number 2. Otherwise, I guess you guys can like give me 4 options, and then for slot number 2, I can have you guys vote in a poll, and we'll keep it up the entire time. So let's do the first one that gets 2 votes for slot number 1, and then for slot number 2, we'll take the next 4 suggestions, and we'll put them in a poll, and we'll leave the poll up for the entirety of the stream. And whichever one wins from that point will get slot number 2. Bitcoin, looking like it wants to hit our upper liquidation points. Did we hit those already, is the question, while I was talking. I don't think so. Did we? when was this? 16, 15, 17? Yeah, no, it's been over an hour. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, this was about an hour ago. Stuff got spicy and some bears got liquidated. All right, we got Ondo from Fahid and Hoffs. Ondo takes spot number 1 in the watch list. And then number 2 is going to be between Ergo. Hoffs, you can't vote twice. So I'm just going to pick the first one. We got Ergo and HCN so far. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin's currently trading at 101,918. Let's see if we can break into 103 during the stream. Waterfly said, make Bitcoin go to 85K, please. Waterfly, are you looking for 85K? 85K is kind of spicy, ain't it? Let's see, what am I looking for? I guess I'm looking for where we're at, 97. That's actually crazy. I drew this stupid line, and that's exactly where we bounced. Shrap. We got Shrap from Clint. Let's see, is there any pattern that is revealing itself? I do see there's like a sloppy double top right now. Is it going to do one of these harmonics that Hoffs like loved for like a week? Hoffs was all about the harmonics for like a solid week. He was talking about the harmonics. That was like the flavor of the week indicator. It was fun though. It was fun. We got something called Ether from Hoffs, it looks like. I've never heard of that one. He keeps double dipping. We got 11 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Monday. I have not gone to work in a week. Unfortunately, though, that doesn't tell me driving to freaking Georgia. So I guess I can only laugh for so long. I'm still waiting for some podcast suggestions, though. SUI is at $3.99. Is it going to break into 4? This would have been a great long off of 350. That would have been awesome. You'd be up 13% right now with no leverage. Hoff said it was a flavor of the week. I told you, man, the harmonics are crazy. You got to like know the math and stuff. Like there's parameters for the lines and stuff. I don't know. There's a thing. There's a way to measure it too. Cyclic lines. See, I don't know what the difference between patterns and I guess Fibonacci and Gann and then projection. Like these are all the same thing to me. These 3 little buttons on TradingView all give you the same thing. Like they could probably just put all of that in one little drop down menu that you scroll through. Maybe I'm just arrogant. Let's see. So we got Arrow, HCN, Shrap. We need one more coin suggestion for the poll. I'm gonna actually put a suggestion in there because you guys are taking too long. See, I don't know. Now I don't know what coin to pick. I don't even know if this is available. We'll see. And then Trap Arrow, WMTX, and HCN. Let me see if this is available. Aha, it is. Ooh, HTX has the good stuff. All right, the poll has begun. Let the votes commence. And then Hoff said, I knew that was support at 350, but SUI was weak lately. It has been weak. SUI finally got its pullback. Like, this thing ran like crazy. It did not have a single... It kind of went the way of Cardano from last bull market. Like, its all-time high was, I think, right here previously. It broke all of it. Like, it was going crazy, crazy, crazy. And then it finally, like, had a little retrace, and everyone thought it was going to go way the heck down here. It did not. I think I even thought it was going to go to $1.40. Right here. Yeah, I thought it was going to go to $1.40, this blue line. It didn't go anywhere near there. It did like a double bottom right here. And then it just went crazy. Like, exploded to the upside. And it established this beautiful range that it just rode up. Like, blue sky breakout, new high every other day, it seemed. And it finally broke out of this range for good. And maybe it got its little retrace. Let's see. From the high. From the Pico high, this thing retraced 35%. So was that the bottom? I have no idea. It's crazy to think that this thing was in the like $1 area just a couple months ago. And now it's $4. Like, I don't know. I feel like we haven't seen a lot of that recently. This is like the beginning. I think SUI was the first big pumper of this bull market. And I'm still not even convinced that alt season has begun. Sol has also been very, very impressive. It's been breaking new highs. We got previous all-time high broke right here, and then it finally busted above that, solidified. Is that the previous all-time high, that blue line? I think that's what that is. I'm not positive, though. Huff said XRP recovering. Let's go take a look. XRP is recovering beautifully. Die-hard XRP audience is buying that dip up. That's what you want to see. Even if you don't believe in the project, if the audience believes in it, then it'll do well. It'll perform well. It's like the whole Murad argument with meme coins. You have to invest in the community rather than the project, because all the projects are probably relatively the same. If we're being completely honest with ourselves, they're probably all identical. ETH is struggling. I guess ETH has been the same price for forever too, though. Hoffs said, I will say that I like Yoroi wallet. Really? I'm 50-50 on Yoroi. I was a big NAMI guy, but then IOG freaking bought it and like forced everyone to migrate over to Lace. And having said that, like, people don't like to be forced to do stuff, but I do like Lace wallet. But Yoroi is nice because you can use it on your phone too. They got a mobile app. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. Speaking of the Cardano ecosystem, for anyone that cares, shield your eyes. It's going to get bright. It's going to get really bright, and I can't do anything about it. I can try, actually. Let me try. Just shield your eyes just in case it doesn't work. Okay, it worked. Cool. Well, it kind of makes it look like crap, though. Actually, no, I'm sure it looks fine. It looks fine. Okay. So, SNEKboard.com is created by one of the SNEK community members. And they have all of this information about SNEK. You got the holders distribution. You got total burned. Current quantity of holders is 41,000 holders of SNEK. Current market cap, current price, all-time high price, meme coin rank. Wow, it's currently number 16. I had no idea. Let me refresh. Is it number 16? Okay, no, it's number 17. It's number 7. No, it says number 16 right here. What? So SNEK is currently number 16, working its way into the top 15 meme coins by market cap. It has passed Baby Dogecoin, AI Rig Complex, Agent Fun AI, Popcat, Turbo, Mew, Melania, Dog, the Bitcoin one, Fresa, I've never heard of that one, Xbit by Virtuals, Notcoin, Toshi. Next is gonna pass Mogcoin, GigaChad, Meow, AI16Z, Brett, and then Fartcoin, and then it will officially be in the top 10. We'll see if they can pass SPX 6900 and breach into Whiff and Floki and Pudgy and Bonk and Trump and Pepe and Shiba. We'll see if that can happen. I have faith. It's literally gotten it with, like, it's breached the top 20 without a single tier 1 exchange listing. This is all purely community driven growth. That's impressive. Even if you guys don't like Cardano, even if you guys think SNEK is a scam, whatever you think, that's impressive. You can't not be impressed by that. So, I don't know. Like I said, I have an irresponsibly large quantity of SNEK, and I'm super stoked to see it grow like that. It's making me very happy, boy. I'm a diehard community member, man. My SNEK actually, my SNEK energy just arrived today. I purchased more SNEK energy, and it made its way to my home. Here, let me. I don't know if I can't play the sound actually. Is this muted? It is muted. Okay, good. If you guys are interested in some SNEK energy, Snake Discovery has some on sale still. The official website is currently going through a revamp because I believe the next chunk of SNEK energy being released is not going to be first edition. But if you still want to get some first edition cans, you can get some at snakediscovery.com. Check it out. I was so stoked. Now I officially have 6 cans of first edition SNEK energy. Very exciting. Not financial advice. It may be a cult. I don't know. Jury's out. Let's see. 116.95. Let's update our liquidation heat map. See if anything has changed. It is currently 6 p.m. So we got 50 minutes until the daily close contest begins. Previously, when I went to Georgia, I didn't do the daily close contest the night before my drive because I had to get up early and stuff, but I slept way too late today. So today I'm doing the daily close contest. Clint said, great, put those cans right next to your Pokemon collection where they belong. That's exactly where they belong, Clint. Billy said, JJ, where'd you get that? What, Snake Energy? Go to snakediscoverystore.com and then just search SNEK energy. Oh. Maybe they're sold out? Are they sold out? Uh-oh. Where's the store? Snake Discovery merch. Home? I don't know, actually. They might be sold out now. Oh, no. They just had a bunch, I swear. What? No. Yeah, they might be sold out, Philly. I'm so sorry. Wow, did I buy the rest? Did I buy the rest of their SNEK energy? No way. Yeah, I think they're sold out. Oops. Dang. Okay. That's crazy. I might have bought the rest of them. I might have literally bought the rest of them. I swear they just had cases for sale though. I don't know, man. I did get the word out on Twitter. So people might have just bought them up. XRP is at 304. SUI is at 299. What do we think is going to pump next? Is HBAR going to pump next? It was very interesting to see all of the American coins pump on the no capital gains tax news. And then with this, what is it called? DeepSeek. Actually, let's go to Cointelegraph and see what See what news we got. Huff said, I don't understand collecting that. I mean, you're not a SNEK maxi like I am. What do you mean you don't understand? I don't understand you collecting vinyls. It's the same thing. You can listen to your vinyls, I can drink my SNEK energy. But if you listen to it too much, it's going to devalue it. If I drink this too much, it's going to devalue it. Same concept. Scam token surge as DeepSeek AI goes viral. Ripple announces money transmitter license in Texas and New York. Absence of Bitcoin panic selling suggests Bitcoin dropped below 98K as a short-term blip. Judge sentences 4-count promoter to 30 months behind bars. 30 months, damn. John McAfee AI token adds surprise chapter to his crypto story. We read that already. Is there anything else about DeepSeek? Maple Finance. Ooh. Didn't somebody brought that up? Are they still... Okay. Maple. Is it MPL? No. What's going on here? Maple Finance. It's just MPL. Yeah, it's MPL. What the heck? Is it MPL USD? Okay, Coinbase. Okay, it didn't get too pumpy. It did actually. We showed support at 1182 and it bounced perfectly off of that. Nice. Okay. What did they do though? Maple Finance debuts Bitcoin-linked yield offering for institutional investors. Okay, that didn't seem to really do that much for them. This is only 4 hours ago, so maybe it's just now feeling the effects. Is there anything about DeepSeek besides... Let's just go to this. Malicious DeepSeek tokens have surged in the past 24 hours, underscoring scammers' mobility in reacting to current events. Mobility. Giovanni said, my buddy was crying over NVIDIA going down 10%. Meanwhile, I'm smiling 40%, down 40% in crypto. Yeah, dude, crypto folks are just built different. We're like built for the volatility. What's going to happen is we're all eventually going to either get into stocks or stocks are going to evolve to be like crypto. And we're going to make so much money just like life coaching the stock bros into realizing that down 40% isn't the end of the world. Mr. Roberts said, hey, JJ. Hello, good people. What's going on, Mr. Roberts? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got 46 more minutes until the daily close contest. According to data from security firm Blockade, at least 75 scam tokens were created as of January 27th, representing a threefold jump from the previous day. The mirrors are spike in fake tokens released after U.S. President Donald Trump realizes his meme coin on January 18th. Oh gosh, they're going to blame all of this on Trump now? That's embarrassing. DeepSeek launched the latest version of its AI app on January 20th, quickly going viral on rising to the top of the Apple App Store. Along with it has come an unfortunate turn, a proliferation of scam tokens seeking to capitalize on the company's success. According to Oz Tamir, research analyst at Blockade, scammers have already set up a decentralized application that mimics the website of DeepSeek with a connect wallet button that, when clicked, could potentially drain the crypto's user wallet. Tamir noted that this D-app highlights the sophistication of these scams and the need for users to be vigilant. In a pinned X post dated January 10th, DeepSeek wrote, DeepSeek has not issued any cryptocurrency. Currently, there is only one official account on Twitter platform. We will not contact anyone through other accounts. Please stay vigilant and guard against potential scams. Despite the warning, scammers have been hard at work and in some cases have had success. As Cointelegraph reported earlier on January 27th, 2 faked DeepSeek coins initially gained traction. One reached 48 million market cap before cooling off quickly, while another reached 13 million market cap. According to Tamir, scammers are becoming faster at exploiting trending narratives and creating scam tokens. The platform reported that the launch of official Trump and the First Lady's meme coin Melania led to a surge in copycat tokens. Trump-branded tokens increased from 3,300 launched daily to 6,800 on the day of the official meme coin debut. DeepSeek has dominated chatter on X after the power of its AI model, which could rival OpenAI's ChatGPT, became apparent. The company claimed that developing its model cost under $6 million. The number is significantly less than the tens of billions American companies are spending to build their own models. I think the problem here is it's really easy to copy-paste code. And I believe this has been kind of debunked at this point now as well. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. I think that they also blocked DeepSeek from being accessed by American phone numbers, or any phone number outside of Chinese phone number. So, again, this is all just speculation based on information that I've seen on Twitter specifically. On January 23rd, President Trump signed an executive order revoking past policies that act as barriers to American AI innovation. Trump administration AI and crypto czar David Sachs wrote on X that DeepSeek's R1 shows that the AI race will be very competitive. Okay. I guess I don't know who David Sachs is. Crypto czar is a funky title. I prefer Fractal Farquaad, if I'm being completely honest. What did I just close? Oh, my coin market cap. Okay. Maple Finance Bitcoin is still trading at 101,936, chilling. Is it going to breach 102? It may just do so. Let's see. We got the top 5 podcasts. Said Toshi bouncing back. Fahid said like the stream and subscribe. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Monday. Cheers. Let's see. We got 40% are voting for Arrow, 40% are voting for Shrap, and we also have 20% voting for WMTX. Only 5 votes at the moment. 13 people watching. We're trying to get to 10 likes. We're also trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of January. We still got 4 days. I think we can do it. How do I look, guys? Do I look like I have more color? I found a different mode on my light that isn't just like the bright, like blue lab coat light. So I should look like I actually have skin tone now. Let's go take a look at Toshi really quick for the top 5 podcast. Have we looked at this before? I don't think we have. Wow. What the heck? This thing went crazy. If you would have bought this January 23rd, you could have cashed out 514, or at the moment 291%. Very nice. That is impressive. Toshi is bouncing back wonderfully. What is Toshi? XCN healthy again, number 134. Oh, is Toshi the one that SNEK is competing with at the moment? It is. Interesting. Is it? It can't be. Unless it bounced back that hard. 20%? Oh, it's up 28%. So yeah, that's very possible. Okay, this must need to update then. It is number 17. This has to be accurate right here. Interesting, interesting. JY said Toshi got listed on Coinbase. Nice. Mr. Robert said, hey there, Fahid. JY said, I remember it from 2023. It's a base meme coin. All right. I'm excited for SNEK to get listed on Coinbase. I really am. Because I think Coinbase is the one that pumps when it gets listed. And the fact that SNEK has 0 tier 1 listings still. Kraken is going to list it, but maybe everybody tries to jump to the punch, like beat it to the punch and get listed by the 29th, which is in 2 days. In 2 days, the year of the snake. Let's see. I don't know if I can do any TA on Toshi, to be honest. Let's go take a look at XCN. Toshi's just kind of up only at the moment. Onyx coin. So this thing, I had a buddy actually that I was doing some work for in the past that was obsessed with this coin. So I hope he held on to it, because he's probably sitting pretty right now. Fahid said, hey, Mr. Roberts. So this is like a staking coin. Let's actually go take a look at it. Onyx coin. Don't they have a website? Onyx protocol, the backbone of decentralized Web3 protocols. Onyx Coin, decentralized governance utility token of Onyx, can stake, vote, and pay for services on Onyx Coin and Chain.com. That's interesting. The bridge between your business and Web3. Ooh. I kind of like that. Chain Cloud Sequence, Chain NFTs. What the hell is Chain NFTs? Chain Prime, latest partnership project, NFTIF. Move fast, break nothing. Chat with Chain. Okay, so this is cool. I didn't know that they had like a branch. Circulating supply, total supply. Okay, so they're almost fully circulating. Distribution is very nice. They have a treasury with a crap ton of money in it. Community governance. Okay, so I gotta say, when I first learned about this, it kind of seemed like a scam to me. Just because of this 30% staking APR is crazy. But it's not unheard of. And if it's locked, then that's a different story. So, I don't know, I guess maybe the fact that it's not a scam and everybody's starting to spread the word now is the reason why it's really blowing up. That would not surprise me. Let's see. JY said after Toshi, I move some funds over to base, LOL. Could see a liquidity rotation, fingers crossed. Top 5 podcast said Visa, Citibank, Fidelity, and NASDAQ all fund XCN. Justin's son has been tweeting about XCN, and now they're teaming up together. Oh. The guy from Tron? Let's see. I guess, can you prove the Visa, Citibank, Fidelity, NASDAQ thing to me? Jay Shear said, yo, what's up, JJ? What's going on, Jay Shear? Let me go back to their website. Does it say anything about this? Coinbase, Gate, Bithumb, Kraken, BTC, Turk, and KuCoin. What about, do they have a Twitter? They do. Okay, cool. Onyx Coin. They got 50,000 followers. They got an ambassador program. Nominate your top token in the next pool. For a new blockchain we've been developing in stealth. See the new blockchain thing as well. You said ask ChatGPT. I don't have ChatGPT. I'm a broke I'm a broke boy. I can ask Grok. You said funded by? I'll fund XCN. Funded by Visa, Citibank, Fidelity, and NASDAQ. Has received funding from several major financial institutions, including Visa and NASDAQ. However, the involvement of Citibank and Fidelity is less clear from the available information. Visa and NASDAQ, these institutes are explicitly mentioned among the funders of the Onyx Coin protocol, which is associated with Onyx Coin XCN. Citibank, while posts on X mention Citibank's involvement, this is not corroborated by the web results provided. Thus, the connection remains uncertain based on available information. Fidelity, there is no mention of Fidelity in the provided sources regarding funding or association with Onyx Coin. Therefore, based on the information available, Onyx Coin has been funded by Visa and NASDAQ, which I'm sure they mean companies within the NASDAQ. But the involvement of Citibank and Fidelity, okay, that's actually impressive. Nice. That's why we do our own research right there. That's actually awesome. I wonder if that just happened. Let's see. Giovanni said, Add Toshi. I threw some cash into Ski Mask Dog and Keyboard Cat. Let's go take a look at Deck Screener. See what we got. So nothing is pumpy. Very nice. I'm a big fan of nothing. What else we got? Cancer, Pythia, Tism, Fart Hard. Splo is literally the biggest disappointment, I think, of my entire crypto career. He said, or should we ask DeepSeek? I don't think we can anymore. Let's go take a look at some base memes. The top 5 podcasts that do have price prediction for Toshi. Let's go take a look, actually. Price prediction for Toshi. Toshi looks just like XCN, actually, which is crazy. See, when it's up only like this, I like to go off of previous price action as well, and its previous price action's way back here. It's currently at 0013 right now. A lot of new volume coming in. It is not overbought. I think it said it was like 100 something. Toshi. Brett, AIO16Z. Deep Book Protocol. What? There's Arrow. Alright, where is Toshi? Right there, 133. Is this organized correctly? Toshi's 527. Giga Chance 552. I thought this was organized by market cap. How is Giga Chat below this, but the market cap's higher? Am I crazy? This is confusing. Toshi. Whew. So the market cap, total supply, max supply. So it is fully oh no, it is not fully circulating. Okay, so they still got like 12 billion to release. So fully diluted value is 541 million. Could it get to 1 billion? Let's go to market cap of, and let me go back to coin market cap and check the top memes. Categories, memes. Hello. There we go. And sort by market cap. I'm gonna guess that Toshi can get to at least Shiba Bitcoin level. Okay, they don't have Shiba Bitcoin, so let me see if I can come here. I didn't even know that Shiba Bitcoin was a thing. Can I copy the contract address here? No, is that not a thing? Contract address. UCID, is that a thing? Nope. 2 to 3 billion for Toshi, probably. That's what I was thinking. So let's just go to that. I'm gonna say 1 for simplicity. And I like to be a little frugal with my predictions. Let's just go with Fartcoin. There we go. My price prediction is 0.002. If it gets to 2 billion, then 0.004. If it gets to 3 billion, then 0.005. Would it be 0.005? I think so, yeah. So yeah, that's my price prediction, just solely based on the idea that it could probably get to a nice round number like 1 to 2 billion. Let's see, Bitcoin's at 101,989. Is it going to break 102? Is this entire watch list going to turn green before the daily close? I don't think so, but if it does, that would be crazy. I will say, being this close to the daily close and the entire market looking like it wants to turn green again is pretty bullish. JY said, Brian Armstrong might send it to Flipbonk to compete with Solana. That's actually a very interesting argument. I didn't even think about that. Who makes the fees on base chain? Where do the fees go? Let me actually look that up. Which is developed by Coinbase. Coinbase primarily collects the transaction fees as they are currently the primarily node operator on the network. Wow. Would you look at that? Top 5 said, did you hear about the unicorn fart dust scandal? Apparently the developer's wallet got hacked. They took millions of coins. I did not hear about that. But I do like that you put that in quotes because that's how I feel. It's way too easy if you don't want to like rug your community. Like if you're a doxed dev and your wallet, you're like, oh no, my wallet got hacked and I lost everything. I'm just going to retire in shame now in the Bahamas with $10 million that I had before the hack, I swear. It's too easy to fake a hack. It's way too, especially on crypto. Because nobody, like, you can just say you got phished or something. Like, you could even literally set it up and phish yourself, I'm sure. Like, literally set up the scam, send yourself the NFT or the email or whatever, and you go through the motions and actually phish yourself. So, no, I did not hear about that, but that does not surprise me that that happened because I could see that happening. I do remember unicorn fart dust as well. Hard. Dang, did that just happen? Whoa. Wasn't it this guy? Is the scandal with this guy? Because I feel like that's not really a scandal. They tried to pump it for him. Why wouldn't he sell? Am I being an asshole? Jay Shear said, are there any main dexes on base? Let's actually go see. Chewy said, finally, I can comment. What donut shop are we discussing tonight? When couldn't you comment? Okay, so it was this guy. Okay, so he faked getting hacked? What a weenie. I would have just sold and been like, thank you. But I'm going to go put all this in gold and silver because I'm a gold and silver maxi. Bye, crypto. Because it's not illegal. I mean, people know who he is, though. So I guess maybe that's his whole thing. Plausible deniability. What are the main dexes on base? Let's go see. I think they're all just ETH dexes. You got Uniswap. What is this one? Aerodrome. Oh, there you go. That's why that's always pumping. Uniswap, Aerodrome, Pancake Swap. What's this one? Alien Base. That's kind of cool. It looks like Uniswap is the #1. Aerodrome with a close second. So Aerodrome, actually, I was not aware. And that's actually winning our poll. We got 6 votes, 17 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. Go vote in the poll, which is in the chat. I appreciate you guys for joining. Let's go take a look at this arrow. Aerodrome Finance on KuCoin. I was not aware that this is a exchange token. The central liquidity hub on Base Network. Okay. Interesting. Why would I buy this? What does it do for me if I own it? Next generation AMM designed to serve as Base's central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, vote lock governance model, and friendly user experience. Aerodrome inherits the latest features from Velodrome V2. Okay. Let's see. Circulating supply is 754. Total supply is 1.47 billion. Wow. Okay, so are they inflating it? What's the unlock schedule here? Central liquidity on Base. Okay, cool. Swap liquidity. Let's go to swap. Okay, so it's just an ugly little swap situation. Liquidity. Deposit liquidity. Okay, so you can lock liquidity as well. This is really a bad website, though. We'll say that. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Maybe it's just taking a second to load. It did say loading. Okay, that's my bad. My bad. A public good for Base. Okay, so you can participate in liquidity farming, essentially. Brand kit tokens. What's brand kit? Okay, that's kind of cool. I feel like the logo's ugly. But I don't know. Is it worth having? 1.22 billion liquidity locked to 29.1 billion monthly trading, 33.32 million monthly fees, and 445.55 thousand monthly users. Designed to reward participants that enable the sustainable growth of the protocol. So there is anti-dilution rebases for voters, self-optimizing. Let's see. What's their unlock schedule? Aerodrome unlocks. Thank you, DeFi Llama. Holy cow, this is taking forever. So when I Googled it, I also saw a video. Hello? Okay, yeah, right here. Buy the Aerodrome Crash Aero Crypto Token Analysis. This is from a day ago. So that guy's saying buy now. Today. Okay, so do they just unlock like every second? Team, protocol grants, schedule. Is it just, okay, so 90% of it is unlocked. I don't think that's true though. Am I incorrect? Because if you look on CoinMarketCap, it specifically says total supply is 1.47 billion and the circulating, okay, so maybe it's locked elsewhere. Like the missing chunk is locked elsewhere. We got Genesis liquidity, airdrop, ecosystem pools, team, protocol grants, arrow pools, voting power, liquidity pool emissions, and team emissions. Okay. So 9.73 of it is locked. I don't know. I do not know. Do I want to buy this? What's the market cap? The market cap is 728 million. So $728 million market cap. Its all-time high at the moment looks like 2 from December. 221. It's currently at 1. So you could at least get 100% gainer on that. I don't hate it. I don't hate the idea of buying this. It does look like it's also in a double bottom, a pretty decent sized double bottom at the moment. Setting up a nice W, which is like one of Hoff's favorite patterns. George apparently doesn't know what a Atom double bottom is, which is hilarious. Bitcoin's currently at 101.836. An aerodrome. Let's see, is this at support? It does look like it's at support. And what's crazy is if you look at this, that's probably exactly what's going to happen right here, but smaller. You got this little spike, that little dip, and then this is going to be a big curve. I bet you that's exactly how it's going to play out. So let me zoom in and draw that again, and then I'm going to leave it on the chart and see if that's actually what happens. Right like this. So I think by early February, Aerodrome is going to be blasting off. Not financial advice. That's just my prediction. Oh, let's see. Zero said, yo, what's going on, Zero? Hoff said Arrow and Ondo are good buys. Did we add Ondo? We did add Ondo to the list. Okay. No brainer under $1. So we got Arrow and Ondo. All right. Well, you guys voted. We got 57% of people said to add Arrow. We are 14 people watching, 7 votes. I'm going to end the poll. Yeah, I said I was going to go for the entire stream, but you guys are taking too damn long, so that is what it is. We're putting Arrow on the watch list. It is official. Arrow and Ondo have joined the fray. Let me put them down here with Polygon-matic poll so that we can get some interest going on down here because it's pretty bleak right here at the moment. Bitcoin dominance at 59.09. It does look like it's trying to bounce off of 59. We want to see it break below that. And Bitcoin 101.785 and 61 cents. XRP is still recovering. SUI is still recovering. And we were looking at base coins. Let's see. 24 hours. C. Lily. DeepSeek first AI agent. Giovanni said, quick, everyone. JJ gave financial advice and said to dump your life savings into Arrow. Mr. Roberts said, JJ, have you looked at Treat? I have not. Do you have a contract address? Oh. Fun KuCoin, nice. Is this... What is this? If I was really grasping for a bullish scenario, I would tell you this was bullish div. But because there's not, like, this is more of a flat line to me than a couple of points, and I really like to see points for my divergence. Having said that, though, it does seem to be playing out. World Wonder said, make sure you buy SWFT crypto coin. It's been approved for national use. It will gradually rise up in the dollars. Don't miss out. Let's go take a look at SWFT after this. World Wonders, smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you for stopping by. Yeah, Treat. You got bullish div. You do have overhead resistance, obviously, because of this rejection. And then this rejection. So that's kind of the only confluence that you really have in this chart. Besides, if it goes down, you got this right here, which was previous resistance, 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 resistance turned support. So Mr. Robert said volume is horrible, but looked interesting. I feel like the volume's not bad. You got the initial launch volume, decrease, nice little increase right here, and then it's gradually going down while the price goes up. Divergence in volume is usually a good thing, because when interest does spike again, these people have accumulated now. And then this volume's, the volume's going to go bam, and the price is going to go insane with it. So, we'll see what happens. Let's go take a look at SWFT. Am I crazy? Okay, it's got futures on MXC. Woo! Swiftcoin. Number 458, current market cap 94 million. So it's a micro cap. It has increased tremendously since January 23rd. Okay. So this thing launched, petered out, got a little more, petered out a long time, more petered out, more petered out. Then some decent size upside. I would make the case for just this repeating, because this is just a repeating pattern. The question is it going to repeat like this, or is it going to repeat like this? So as long as you're maintaining your upside, the volume is increasing with the price, which is good. You want to keep that up. It is incredibly overbought right now on the 4-hour though, so keep an eye on that for sure. Or it was, I suppose. You do, hold on, actually, let me see what the numbers are saying right here. You got 83.6 and then 83.61. Okay, so the RSI is higher right there, so that's not bad. So you don't have bearish div. It narrowly avoided bearish divergence. Giovanni said facts offs, JJ Crypto Corner scandal. Oh, Crypto Corner. See, that's not even the channel name. So you guys are already in a heap of trouble in court. There is no such thing as JJ Crypto Corner. There's JJ's Cryptic Corner. It doesn't look like there's any live streams though on the channel. They all seem to have disappeared if there was any to begin with. Not to mention, his Twitter account was hacked, along with all of his crypto wallets. Let's see, Bitcoin dominance 59.1. It is still bouncing off 59. Bitcoin itself 101.815. We got 10 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off, guys. Show me some coins. Let's go take a look at some coins before we get back into the daily close contest. Why are all of these like boring white squares? BSOP. This reminds me of Splo, which upsets me. Dude, it looks just like Splo. Are you kidding me? Did they steal the art for Splo from this guy? No, definitely. Splo's older than January 18th. But this is cute art. See, this is what they usually do. They set up a liquidity bot that just trades pennies all day to make it look like there's a crap ton of liquidity on this thing. It looks good, though. No issues from Token Sniffer. 205,000 holders? Is that legit? That don't seem legit. Giovanni said, Ski Mask Dog. Okay, let's go take a look at Ski Mask Dog. The Crew said, yo, JJ, what's going on? The Crew's Ski Mask Dog. Ski Mask Dog. Those are 3 different words? Isn't ski mask one word? Am I crazy? Guys, really quick, do me a huge favor. If you are a Facebook user, go vote for my mom's dog. She's taking this contest way too seriously, and we got her to first place like 2 days ago. She's freaking out about it, so Hoff said 29 members from 600. Where? Ski Mask Dog has support at 1292. And it's actually holding that support quite well. So that support, you can see here, clear as day. Previous resistance, it broke above it. Currently retesting. Offset OMG, the Endless Dog Contest. I do think it is endless. Mr. Robert said one more, if I may. Arcare USD. TradingView has it. All right, I'll take a look at that in a moment. Giovanni said, holy shit, how long is this contest going? I'll keep voting, but damn. I vote every single day, man. I do. So every time, right now it says voting for the top 10. I'm pretty sure the next one is voting for the top 5. And then that should be the last one. So they're definitely milking it, though. It's all marketing. It's all marketing for whatever that magazine is. But, you know, my mom's having fun with it. I appreciate you guys. Anyone that votes is an absolute legend. Hoff said he should give out SNEK energy to buy my vote. I already promised Clint that I would send him SNEK. And he got like his whole family to vote, dude. Like, Clint is the reason why they got to first place, I'm convinced. He got his whole family to vote. That just shows how popular Facebook is in Ohio. But yeah, Ski Mask Dog. So you got support right now at 1292, probably 13. Nice psychological number. If you break above that, you're looking like you got some resistance here at like 15.5-ish, 15.7. And then from there, I mean, probably 18. And then maybe 21. And this is just based on the points of confluence from previous price action. You can see. And that's why I kind of eyeball it. You got all of this support right here for this 18 level. All of this resistance right here for this 21 level. All of this support right here. And resistance right here for this 15 level. Same here. Support here. Support here. Support here. Support here. Kind of support here, maybe resistance here. So yeah, those are points of confluence for Ski Mask Dog. As long as you're holding above 13, I think you're in a good place. Next you want to get above 15.7 and then 18.1 and so on. So what you're really looking for is, instead of dancing around in the range and then breaking down like it did back there, you want to dance around in your range and break up. And continue to do that until you break through all of these resistance levels. But it did have a pretty decent size run up. Yeah, this thing was up 1,600%, so I would not be surprised to see it actually like get a decent retrace from this point. Currently down 61%. So, I don't know. You got $139.1 million market cap, $3.3 million in liquidity. Almost, actually, over 250,000 holders. So, what are these issues with Go Plus security, trading cooldown, blacklist, and whitelist? Okay, those aren't issues, in my opinion. Those are non-issues. So, I'm assuming these three big boys up here are probably exchange listings. And then you got the liquidity pool for Uniswap. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't hate this. I really don't. We're going to go look at, let me try to spell this, ARCAIR USD. TradingView has it. So this is, I'm assuming, crypto.com, or it's just crypto. AI Rig Complex. This thing launched December 11th. You got a nice 25% candle at the moment. Let's see. I don't know, man. I do not know. So you had bearish div here for sure. You had bearish div this whole way up. And that played out because you're getting your retrace at the moment. It went all the way 61% down. It's currently only 45% down. So, what's next? Price was going up, so was the RSI. Yep, so there's no bullish div there. I don't know. You have an ascending, broadening situation. So you had bearish div here. That played out. You also had bullish div here. That played out. This is what you want to see. The RSI going down while the price goes up. Let's see if we had a pressure cooker play out on this thing. Doesn't quite look like it. Maybe? Hang on. So you got increased price right there. And you got decrease RSI. Yeah, okay, so you had more bearish div right there. And yeah, I'm not really seeing any bullish div for this part, so maybe not. It's close though. So you had bearish div, push the price into bullish div, and then you had a steady rise, set up some bearish div, pretty decent decline right there. Actually, this can go all the way right here. And then from there, there was no bullish div, but there did seem to be... Why isn't the volume showing up? Why can't I see the volume? No volume data? The data vendor doesn't provide volume data for the symbol. Really? Interesting. Okay. So there's no volume available on this, but I'm assuming right here, volume probably increased. People started buying. And then you set up this beautiful pattern. This ascending channel that it broke down out of. You had 3 hits to the upside, 2 hits to the downside, and then it broke below. So I guess I would just look for another rebound if I'm being completely honest. I kind of like the chart. It's like a nice, easy to read chart. All right, that was our alarm for the daily close contest. Guys, get your guesses ready. The Cornerville Chad can guess up to 1 minute after the deadline. We get 10 entries so from 6:50 p.m. EST to 6:55 p.m. EST. 10 people are allowed to enter. Unless you're a Cornerville Chad, then you could be number 11. You are trying to guess the daily close price for Bitcoin on the Binance USDT chart. And closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail the first 6 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 8, then you win either $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. Little early, Hoffs. Little early. You are unfortunately not a. You are not a tier 2 member. Tier 2 members can guess up to 1 hour early. Tier 3 members can guess up to 1 hour early. They could be an 11th guess, and they can guess up to 1 minute after the 6:55 p.m. EST deadline. Hoffs, you got to submit your guess again. All right, we got Waterfly 102. Let's see if Hoffs is actually listening. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Hoffs. Thank you, sir. Okay. We got Hoffs with 101,899. Daily close contest has commenced. I know, dude, the delay messes it up so bad. I feel bad for the people that like try to enter when I say things and do things. But I don't know. We'll have to come up with something for that. Figure something out. We got a guess from Angry Chewy. He's been an angry boy in the chat all day, but he's allowed to participate too. 101,999. Okay, so he's in between Butterfly and Hoffs. In case you guys are unaware, Hoffs has guessed within a penny twice, 2 different times. He has guessed over the daily close by 1 penny. And it is Price is Right rules, so if you go over, you don't win. But because it happened twice and that's freaking crazy, we did send him a mug. Waterfly said little PP is always angry. Chewy said, I'm just sick, bro. Got that man cold. My throat was scratchy yesterday. I was so scared. I was like, I almost laid on the couch and went full baby. That man cold will get you, man. It really does. I like all the women are like, men are such babies when they're sick. And I'm like, yeah. When I'm sick, I'm effed up, bro. Like, effed up. Mr. Robbers coming in with a 102.384 and 55 cents. 102.384 and 55 cents. He is above Waterfly. That is our most bullish guess at the moment. Thank you, Mr. Robbers. 102.384.55. Very cool. Very nice. Hoff said, let me take a picture of the mug. Yeah, let's get a picture of the mug, man. That's a sick mug. It was limited edition, so it is no longer available. Giovanni said, sorry. Wow, hold up. 101.994 and 43 cents. Copy. 101.994. Okay, so he is in between Chewy and Hoffs. I gotta fix my my filter on my aquarium is going crazy behind me. Oh. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. We got 5 entries. We have 5 more positions available, unless you're a Cornerville Chad. And we have less than 1 minute remaining. 2 minutes if you're a Cornerville Chad. Let's see. Yeah, guys, if you haven't seen Hoff's mug, it's pretty sick. He literally, like, being able to guess the number spot on is crazy. That's crazy. But guessing it over, like guessing over it by 1 penny twice, I think is more crazy than just guessing the number. Chewy said, what kind of hat you sporting tonight? Is the Illuminati Freemason. Everyone always just thinks it's a Freemason hat. I bought it because it looked cool. I'm not a Freemason. And that was before the Illuminati was evil, back when they were like this cool, mysterious. All right, Hoff said he posted in Discord. Give me 11 seconds, Hoffs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Digi can come in and enter. Oh, Fahid missed it. I'm gonna let you enter, Fahid. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I got you, Fahid. I got you. 102 even. Oh no, that's Waterfly's guess, so you can't. I'm sorry, Fahid. You kind of double fudged. I was gonna let you enter, but you guessed the same thing as Waterfly. Damn. Oh man. All right, let's go take a look at this. This mug from Hoffs. This is Hoffs' victory prize for guessing the daily close over 1 penny twice. 2 times. Penny boy. Okay, we got the other side. This is the other side. A penny for your thoughts. A penny saved is a penny earned. See a penny, pick it up. All day long you'll have good luck. In for a penny, in for a pound. And the very last one was kind of like a nod, a little wink. Not to Penny's boat. Penny boy Hoffs. Yeah, I don't know if we have the other picture, but the other side is a penny, and it just says Hoffs, and there's a quote on it that says, "A penny still matters." So it was pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you guys are interested in purchasing merch, check out the very, very bottom of the description. Otherwise, you guys can just go straight to the channel, and then it's up there in the bio. We got some cool merch there. I gotta remove this, but we got the little evolution mug of the ghosts. We got a sick hat, another sick hat. We got some beanies, we got some socks, we got some hoodies, we got some other beanies. We got some horse guy stuff, we got some pullovers, we got some ADA merch. Go check it out if you guys are interested. Appreciate you guys. Help support the channel. All right, let's see. We got 4 minutes remaining. Mr. Robbers, 102,384 and 55 cents. Waterfly, 102 even. Chewy, 101,999. Giovanni, 101,994 and 43 cents. And then Hoffs, 101,899.99. Currently, Bitcoin is 102.88 and 22 cents. If it were to close right here, Hoffs would be the winner. Or I'm sorry, Waterfly would be the winner. I've done that too many times. I've done that way too many times. Let's see. Fahid said Hoff's going to complain now. Waterfly said bad Fahid. Fahid said, I honestly didn't realize it was the same as Waterfly. Hoff said, hold on. Mr. Roberts said, come on, Fahid, go bullish. You and me battle at 7 by the bike rack, LOL. Waterfly said, Hoffs, you Jewish? Damn. Fahid said, all right, let's go, Roberts. Mr. Roberts said, wee! All right, let's see. Hoff said, hold on. So I'm assuming we're going to get another picture of the other side of the mug. Perhaps. No, maybe it takes him a long time. Bitcoin currently 102, 159 and 88 cents. It's getting pretty damn close to Mr. Roberts. We got less than 2 minutes remaining. Let's see if he takes it. 102, 384 and 55 cents. I am almost out of chai latte. All right. Oh, 102.085. It's getting pretty damn close. Waterfly. Waterfly would be the winner at the moment. It is closest without going over. Oh. Why does it do that every day at the daily close? Okay, this is it. This is the final candle that determines the fate. There we go. There we go. A penny still matters. 1 penny Hoffs. I think he had to clean the other side. That's pretty cool, though. Maybe everything is just wet in Florida from, this is still from the hurricane. That's crazy. A penny still matters. 1 penny Hoffs. So yeah, that's the other side. Pretty cool, pretty sick. I'm sorry, I keep blinding you guys. All right, this is it. 28 seconds remaining for the daily close contest. Chewy said, penny for your thoughts. Oh no. I'll sell. I'm for $1. They're worth so much more after I'm a goner. 15 seconds remaining. 102, 110, and 71 cents. It is not quite at Mr. Roberts' price, but we have seen big spice right at the last second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. There it is. The daily close for Bitcoin is $102 and $82.83. Which makes our winner Waterfly. Waterfly won bragging rights. Guys, congratulate Waterfly. Spam the bananas in the chat. Waterfly, congratulations. You are the winner today for the daily close contest. Very cool. Congratulations. Is this Waterfly's first victory? It's at least his first victory for 2025, which he will be added to the list of winners for this year. Let me add him in right now. Waterfly won bragging rights. I should put the prices in here, but it's already too late. I've done most of January. Congratulations, Waterfly, for winning the daily close contest. Very cool. You did it. Spam the bananas, guys. Spam the bananas. Waterfly said, now go 85K tomorrow. Hoff said, 1 minute chart breakout. Chewy said, congrats, you beat me by $1. Waterfly said, clock right 2 times daily. Exactly. Mr. Roberts said, Waterfly and spammed a bunch of flies. Fahid said, I would have won if I added a penny. Shake my head. Damn. You should have done it. You should have done it, Fahid. Hoffs always puts pennies in his for some reason. He's addicted now. It's a problem. We got to do a penny intervention. A pennervention. Have you guys watched The Pentaverate yet? On Netflix? It's pretty funny. It's literally like the They're like the Illuminati organization that like runs the world. It's kind of the same premise as oh shoot, I forget the damn cartoon show. Inside Job. It's like Inside Job on Netflix, where there's like the organization that runs the world, but the Pentaveret is like the evil, like Illuminati figures, and they're all played by like pretty much everyone in the show is played by Mike Myers. So you know it's funny because Austin Powers. Come on, but definitely worth checking out if you guys haven't seen it. Pretty funny. Bitcoin looks a little bit bullish. It looks like our watch list is turning green, which is exciting. Bitcoin dominance potentially getting shot down. We do have a wick to the downside, though, which is not good. That means that the price pushed up right at the last second. Let's go refresh our liquidation heat map and see if this has changed at all. We got 15 people watching, guys. Don't forget to spam the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Fahid said I didn't get a chance to add a decimal. That's because you were late. Waterfly said you can copy me and add Penny another day. Fahid Hoff said Inside Job is great. Dude, I love that show. I don't know why they canceled it. I thought it was really good. But Disenchantment? Disenchantment? I think it's Disenchanted. Disenchanted has been going on for like 4 or 5 seasons, which is the creator of Futurama, so that doesn't surprise me. I love Futurama. I'm like a Futurama maxi. Absolutely adore that show. They mentioned crypto in the latest season, the Hulu season. The guy's like mining Bitcoin, and it's like this machine, and the thing drops out, and he goes, "Oh, look, a Bitcoin!" And he picks it up, and he's like, "Oh, it's just another danged Ethereum," and he throws it away. That was pretty funny. All right, let's see. Symbol 12 hour. We zoomed in. We got a bunch of liquidations to the upside. It looks like we're getting a little bit more, maybe. 102.515. 102.515. Did that actually do it? Coordinates. 102.515. Okay, there we go. And then this one above is supposed to be 102.678. Okay. And then one more. Right above that, 102.841. All right. And then below, I'm assuming below has stayed the same, but let's check it anyways. 98.843. Okay. And then below that, 98.435. Oh, okay. I'm assuming that's supposed to be right there then. Probably 98.680. 98.680. Okay, let's leave that right there. Okay. Congratulations, Waterfly, for winning the daily close contest. It looks like we may have just hit our first liquidation point to the upside. Very nice. Looks like we're liquidating some bears today. Sick. Fahid said JJ changed his mind last minute. It's all right, Waterfly. It's okay. Fahid's won already. Fahid's won this year, hasn't he? Yeah, Fahid won January 7th. I think we only have a couple people who have won more than once. So I've been documenting all of the wins this year. And at the end of the year, we're going to do something special for whoever's won the most, maybe? I don't know. If we have a bunch of them, bunch of people that have won multiple times, which I'm sure we will, then we'll do some kind of maybe bracket contest for those people or something like that. I think it'd be fun if people like competed, like with their guesses or something like that. Maybe we had to do like a tiebreaker. We'll figure out something cool for sure. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin's breaking to the upside. This is exciting. Oh, it's breaking to the upside violently. Is the entire market going to recover violently as well? That would be pretty exciting. Let me see. I have a trade open at the moment. I have like a long-term Cardano long that's been open for forever. But I also have my forever SNEK long, which I've closed and opened like 3 or 4 times now. Once it gets into like the double digits, like 30-40%, I usually close it. But right now it's at 25. So we're chilling. I got a great entry from this recent dip which was pretty exciting. If you guys do choose to leverage trade, exercise caution. It can be addicting. Just make sure you're not playing with any more than you can afford to lose. Imagine, you have to literally think about it. If your entire crypto portfolio disappeared tomorrow, would you have to like move out? Would you get evicted? Would you lose your car? Would you lose your wife? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you're probably overexposed to the market. Not financial advice though. That's just my take personally. Everybody's got their own way of doing things. Mr. Robert said, oh, Tokyo taking my prediction into fruition a little too late. I will say, the year of the snake coming up in January 29th, as much as I talk about it with SNEK specifically, I do believe it is bullish for the overall crypto market. Chinese New Year, Chinese money, pump. Not financial advice, just my guess. Waterfly said leverage bad. He is correct. I just use 4x though. I like my little 4x leverage. I can just set it and forget it. If I get liquidated, then it probably took like 3 weeks, and I've been anticipating it for a long time anyways. And I usually don't play with any more than like a couple $100 at most, which is a small percentage of my portfolio. So everybody's got their own way of doing things. Some people don't like leverage. Some people leverage too much. The people that come into the chat and they're like, here's my 200x trade, I'm up 50%. Those people need to like light some incense, smoke a joint, and take a Xanax or something. Because that's too much leverage, man. That is too much leverage. Hoff said, yes, because all my money is in crypto. Majority of mine is as well. But I would be okay if it, like, I'd be mad, obviously. I'd probably have to go to therapy if all my crypto disappeared. But I would not lose my home or my car or my family. I'd still be able to pay for birthdays and Christmas and stuff like that. So, I don't know. Everybody knows their own budget. Everybody's got their own budget. You gotta kind of do what you're aware of, you're capable of doing. Guys, don't forget to congratulate Waterfly for winning the Daily Close contest. Look at this. We're breaking upwards, and we are smashing through liquidation points. Is HBAR the next pump? Did I call it? I don't know. I think everything's pumping, so technically that doesn't really count. Even ETH is getting a little bit bullish. Total 3 is getting a little bit bullish. Is Bitcoin dominance going to break down? That's what I would like to see. Ooh, look at how spicy it's getting. Come on. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. Is it false move Monday? That would be sad. Giovanni said I'd have to re-enlist. Damn. I tried to join the armed forces. I think I tried to join the army, and then the Air Force, and then the Army Reserves. None of them would take me. Apparently being deaf in your right ear makes you completely incapable of anything. Waterfly said you can call local recruiter for JJ. Tell him that I'm not deaf. The problem is they do a test. Plus, I don't want to risk, like, what if I actually get put on the field? My whole point was like, sure, I'm deaf in my right ear. You obviously don't want me next to somebody else with, like, on the front lines or whatever, because I can't hear if somebody's coming or whatever. I can still sit behind a desk, though, you know? Like, there's plenty of things I could do from not in the field. I don't know. Now I just work construction and do freaking 3D rendering and YouTube and whatever else junk. Drive to freaking Georgia to install some landscape lighting. Just so you guys are aware, literally my trip to Georgia tomorrow is for me to install landscape lighting. Waterfly said perfect for artillery, right? Yeah, no, they wouldn't take me. You'd think they'd find a use for me. I don't even think I can get drafted, which sucks. Like, I don't know, growing up, especially like 9/11 happened when it did, I wanted to serve my country so freaking hard, and I couldn't. So it was kind of a gut punch when everyone told me. And then I think the reserves finally told me that the closest I could ever get to serving would be literally like a prison guard. I couldn't even be a police officer if I wanted to. I would have to be a prison guard, which is probably like the worst job because that's probably the most likely place where someone will sneak up on you. But I don't know. I've thought about becoming a prison guard. There's a prison not far from me that I could work at. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Bitcoin got a little bit of a retrace. Tyler said I was a federal prison guard. Really? How was it? I feel like I'd like it. Is that weird? I feel like I would really like it. I like talking to people. I like learning their stories and stuff. When I was a degenerate teenager, that was like my go-to thing, just like hanging out with people, having like really long, like open book conversations about life, and like I learned like everything about everybody that I met. And they were all wonderful people. I thoroughly enjoyed it. ETH is currently up 0.34%. Let's actually take a look at Pinlink now that Tyler's here. Pinlink is on the watch list. We'll see where it's at. Pinlink. And I missed it again. Every time. I'm going to get it one time. What if I said you would drop soap too often? As the guard? I don't even know what that would entail. $1.33 for Pinlink. I was looking for $1 for a buy. I guess I should buy, shouldn't I? Damn. That is quite a drop. Well, we'll see what comes of that. If this was available for a short, you'd be up pretty hefty if you would have shorted. Even if you would have shorted from $2. 31%. Damn. Hoff said you still do that. Dude, okay, I've thought about it. I think it'd be fun to interview people from the Discord, but I don't know if anyone would be down for it. I guess if you're down, let me know. Like, DM me in Discord. Because I think it'd be fun to set up. Even if you want to be anonymous. We can disguise your voice and stuff. I'll record your vocal audio separately and disguise it. Or something. We'll do something. But I think that would be fun. Literally, like, it doesn't have to be anything special, like I'm interviewing like somebody who did some crazy special thing, just like interviewing random people, because why not? Tyler said shitty, the COs were worse than the inmates. They act like high schoolers with drama. That actually sounds like fun. That's literally Discord. Tyler said I'll be interviewed first. All right, let's get out of here. Pinlink, definitely a buy, in my opinion. Bitcoin, 102,493. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Did we hit 10 likes? We hit 12. Very cool. Appreciate you guys. Absolute legends, every single one of you guys. Unfortunately, tomorrow I am driving back down to Georgia. So, I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow. If I do, it's going to be super duper late. I might try to record a video tonight. It's probably not going to be crypto related at all. But if I do, then I'll upload it. I did just upload 2 videos last night. Feel free to go check them out. Little shameless self-promotion. Project Zomboid. This game's super fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a little bit of a slow burn, though. So if you're not into gameplay, definitely probably not for you. And then this one, it's just 4 minutes. I literally have had this idea for quite some time to act out random prompts. And I finally did it. And it was super duper fun. So definitely check it out. Highly recommend. Not financial advice. Help support the channel though. Get those views up. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs as soon as possible. Don't forget to congratulate Waterfly for winning the daily close contest as well. He won bragging rights. Very cool. Congratulations, Waterfly. Let's see what's getting pumpy today. We got XRP is up 1.11%. HBAR is up 1.65%. Render's up 1.08%. Ergo is up 2%. What else do we got? Everything else is up like less than 1 digit.
half a digit. Bitcoin dominance can't make up its mind. Let's see. You know what we haven't done? I don't think at all yet. We haven't looked at any of Plan B's stuff. Hello. There we go. Oh my gosh. I guess let's just go look at his X post. This is from the 22nd. Bitcoin bull market continues. Okay, so we're in red. Really? Bull market distribution, bear market accumulation. This is what he's calling Bitcoin bull market? Oof. Looks like doo-doo, doesn't it? I don't like that. Let's go look at the rainbow chart as well. Yeah, look at that. Look at how chill it is right now. Gosh, this is blinding. I can't even make it dark. Okay, good. That's so much better. All right, so we had our halving, and Bitcoin is currently... What is this? What lines is it going off of? Bitcoin is currently 102,449. Yeah, it's 102,383. So we're in the green, which is accumulate. I love that. See, I will say, when you cherry pick data, life is so much better. Oh no, they gotta update this. It says without KYC, MXC. They enforced KYC now. Who is this dude though? Not a big fan of that creepy picture. So we're gonna accumulate right now. We were okay. So we went all the way down to Bitcoin is dead, which was like 17K, 15 to 17K, and then we broke back up to 30K, which put us into basically a fire sale. And then when we went into 40, 50, 60, it was then buy, and now we're currently in accumulate. Next stop is still cheap, and then hodl. Is it a bubble? FOMO, sell, 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 and then maximum bubble territory. Are we going to get to that point? Let's see. We went from red to like dark orange, light orange, dark yellow, light yellow. So we did dark yellow, light yellow. So we lost what? 3? 1, 2, 3. So if we lose 3 again, dark yellow, light yellow, green. So yeah, we would technically top out where we're at right now. What would be that max? 118? 120? Interesting. So I wonder if that's going to be the case, if we're going to top out at 120-ish. Let me check the chat really quick. Waterfly said, what part of Georgia? Just south of Atlanta. Jake said, the crypto market has me pissed, but I still gave you a like, JJ, because you're a good guy. Thank you, Jake. Waterfly said, Ledowicki, Georgia? No, the job is in Fayetteville, and the place that I'm staying is Peachtree City. Tyler said, call me on Discord. Let's make this happen. Oh, dude, let's do it. I'm down. I'm totally down. Jake said, man, this chicken stir fry I ate for dinner got me embodying fartcoin. Dude, I could go for some stir fry right now. Waterfly said SKL up again. Any news? Let's take a look at that. Jay Shear's cracking up. Tyler said, damn, that camera is clear. This camera is lovely. Thank you, Tyler. Mr. Roberts said, gotta bounce. JJ Fahid, take care. Good people, stay good. Appreciate you, Mr. Roberts. Smash the like button on your way out. JY said, yes, 120K at the top. That's been my thought, I think, since day one, honestly. Right here, 120, 130. This is my top. Let's go take a look at SKL for Waterfly. Ooh, it is getting a little pumpy. Scale, let's see. We got a week ago. Scale gas free. Invisible blockchain. 50 million unique active wallets. Maybe that's why. Born in Cali, made in America. Oh, is that why people are just now realizing that it's made in America? Waterfly says 152, my top this year. All right, let's put that on the chart. I think that's what it is, Waterfly. People are realizing that it's made in America. 152. 152. And maybe my top is way, way bearish. I'm honestly okay with that. Waterfly has top estimate. Anybody else got any top estimates? I'll put them in the chart. Let's make this purple. 2. And the text, I'll keep the text blue. And then let's make this purple. 2. Yep. The same purple. Yep. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Tyler said SUI passed $4 again, is it? $3.95. You are wrong, Tyler. It's trying, though. It's trying. Don't forget to congratulate Waterfly for winning the daily close contest today, guys. And yeah, scale, I'm assuming, is entirely based on the American blockchain situation. People probably didn't know that. Waterfly said Fahid's is 152,001. Tyler's is 169. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay. Tyler said it wicked past. Yeah, it was a quick wick. It looks like Bitcoin's chilling back out again. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of suspecting a little mediocre pump and lumpy pump. Is anything? Arrow is up 1.45% still. Render's up 0.5% still. So the market's trying. The market is trying. Bitcoin dominance just seems to not want to go down at the moment. But I will say the pattern that it's in right now is very bearish. Is that just a ascending wedge? Because that is a bearish pattern. Am I cherry picking? Absolutely. Do I want this to go down? Yes. Yes, I do. Is it going to? I have no idea. But I do see a bearish pattern. Tyler said, what's dominance? We're actually looking right now. Bitcoin dominance currently at 59.08. It is sitting above 59%, which it struggled to get above this whole time. It has struggled to get above it. Currently broke above it with conviction. Is it going to solidify support, or is it going to break below and then go to oblivion? I'm got my fingers crossed for oblivion. We'll see what plays out. Bitcoin itself, 102,208, 51 cents. Let's update our liquidation heat map really quick. Go to symbol, go to 12-hour. And zoom in. Yep, okay, so we got 102,960 and then 103,127. What was the other one? 102, 127? No. 102, 103, 127. Whoops. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so we liquidated some bears. Now are they going to go grab this big fat $109 million liquidation down below? I said this shit is depressing. Do you remember in Bad Boys 2, Johnny Tapia? He's like having his beautiful new house built in like Mexico or something. And the daughter's like, Papa, you look like Jesus. And he goes, sweetheart, what is this? And the guy's like painting the ceiling, and he's painting the Last Supper. And she goes, it's the last time everybody was together before Jesus was crucified. And he goes, plug your ears, sweetheart. And then the painter's up there, and he goes, you. And the painter looks at him, and he goes, this is fucking depressing. I just want little angels smiling upon me and my family. I love that line. That's like the most satisfying line delivery. It's so funny. That reminded me of that though, Tyler. You saying this shit is depressing. Tyler said we haven't had a good day in forever, it feels. It's been pretty mediocre. Waterfly said, okay, Star Trek time. Night peeps. Take it easy, Waterfly. Appreciate you for stopping by. Congratulations on winning the daily close contest. Good night. Happy Monday. What was I going to look at? We haven't had a good day. I feel like we had a good day January 13th. And we've looked at historically, Bitcoin's pretty boring. It's great for the first week of January, and then for the remainder, it's just boring. And right now we're in that boring part. Total 3 at the moment, literally right where I want it to close. So I did the measurement, remember? I brought it all the way back here. If the price action is going to be identical to last bull market, then we're going to close right at 1.02 trillion for total 3. And that's purely speculation. If it closes anywhere near that, I'm going to be very satisfied, because that's what I've been looking for. We also have this boring, I believe this fractal is actually from January. Yeah, January 1st. So this fractal right here, which I'm going to change the color of now. Let's make it pink. Sure. Let's make it bright pink. This fractal right here is January from the 2020-2021 bull market. It is now 2025, which is 4 years later. And I mean, we're more choppy, but it's very similar price action. You got the pump, you got the retrace, you got the pump, you got the retrace. Previously, we had a little pump, little retrace, little pump, little retrace, and then it was just choppy. I will say the price is still increasing over time. We're setting higher lows and higher highs. We are in kind of a ascending broadening wedge, which might be bearish midterm, but it's going to depend entirely on Bitcoin dominance. So at the moment, we're kind of just watching and waiting. This is so hard to see. There we go, that's better. So yeah, I would not be surprised if the remainder of the month is super boring, mediocre. We got 4 more days. I think we can make it 4 more days. I think we'll be okay. We have each other. And that's all that matters. Bitcoin's currently trading at 102, 182. It is still well above 100K. And as far as I can tell, there's like 0 retail market interest at the moment. So we're just waiting. Tyler said JJ buy some Pinlink. I have to like call the bank in order to buy some Pinlink. I have to make an arrangement with like the British consul to buy some Pinlink. So I'll work on that. Bitcoin looking like it wants to turn red, which looks like it wants to turn the entire market red. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Is Bitcoin gonna hit 91K this week? That is the question. Tyler said, does Pinlink have news? Let's go take a look. Probably not. See, I bet you this is from that stupid AI BS, because Pinlink has all those miners and that like shared DPIN stuff. So everyone was, for some reason, any new AI, people just think that it doesn't need processors. And that's why the market rebounded later on today, because everyone was like, oh yeah, they still need NVIDIA. So nothing happened. It was just like kind of embarrassing, if I'm being completely honest. So we got the 25th, 26th, 27th. Okay. Fractionalized DPIN presale and RWA Launchpad. We're delighted to announce that in the run-up to the mainnet release of our RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace, we'll be running presales for some of our yield-bearing fractional DPIN assets. This is in response to high levels of demand, and then they're partnering with Oasis, and then that's it. So no news. I'm pretty sure it's the little dumpy dump situation that we had on Pinlink specifically is because of that DeepSeek goofiness. So we'll see what ends up playing out. But anyways, guys, unfortunately, I have to leave you. I do gotta get ready to drive 12 hours tomorrow. So happy Monday. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I probably won't get back on because I got a 12-hour drive ahead of me. But I'm going to try my best to stream while I'm away. Otherwise, I will see you guys in like 4 days. I should be bringing my computer. I'll probably do a stream while I'm down there. But we'll see. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Monday. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. And I will see y'all later. Good night.